Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make flaxseed gel. For this DIY, you'll need whole flax seeds, which I got from Publix for $1.99, and water. I added 1/4 cup of flax seeds to my pan, and then I added 2 cups of water. I then turned my burner to medium-high heat. The flax seeds do like to stick to the bottom of the pan, so please make sure you give it a good stir. I let my flax seeds boil for about 10 minutes until it becomes a mucus-like texture. Once the texture changes, this is how you know it's time to turn off the burner. Your flax seeds are ready. While hot, I remove the gel from the stove and strain it into a glass bowl. I let the gel sit for about 30 minutes until it's ready. So now that my flaxseed gel is all done, I'll store it in the fridge for up to a week. Just a tip, if your gel is too thick, add a little bit of water to make it thinner. And if your gel is too thin, let it sit at room temperature longer so that it'll thicken up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!